Are you still planning to sell your house when all of this normalizes and you still want to get a price on it right now? Well, that's why we're offering virtual CMAs. And then the question I get whenever I bring this up is, what's a virtual CMA? How does that work? How can you possibly price my house out without ever going inside of it? Well, I thought I'd show you really quick how one works and how easy it really is. So take a look at this video.
Hey, Hillary, how you doing?
I'm great. How are you today?
Good. Thanks for taking this time to meet with me today. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go over your house and give you an idea of what the value is and any tips I feel you should do to get it ready for when everything normalizes and you're ready to go in the market so you're ahead of the game. So first of all, thanks for filling out that questionnaire I sent you. It was really helpful for telling me more about your house and help me price it better this way as well. So let's start off with you just giving me a quick tour of the house so we'll have a better idea of what we're talking about after.
So this is our main floor.
Great.
You can see the baby's having a little swing right now. We've got some lovely built-ins and some bright doors leading out to our patio. Kids are out there enjoying the sunshine. This is the kitchen, granite countertops, built-in appliances, a nice large pantry for ample storage. So we put this in a few years ago, so it's all pretty darn new. Lots of hardwood floors throughout the main floor as well.
Okay, that's great. So thank you for giving me the tour of the main floor. Can you show me your utility room really quick? Okay, great, Hillary. So it looks like you have a newer high efficiency furnace there. That's great. And it told me in the form when you did that. And can you just show me where your electrical panel is too now, please? Nice and neat and tidy. That's great. Okay, great, Hillary. Well, thanks for showing me all around the house. Why don't you go sit somewhere that's comfortable for you and we'll kind of go over everything. Great. So it looks like you're nice and comfortable somewhere. I could hear some kids in the background, but that's the beauty of this. It doesn't really matter right now. It's just you on video. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'm kind of going to show you all the recent sales in the neighborhood and a report on your house. Okay. Does that sound good?
That sounds great.
Okay. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen. So this is just going to be delayed for a second. Okay. Can you see the report in front of you?
I can.
Great. So this right here is a report of your house, and it tells us everything that's going on in the neighborhood as well. And I'm going to email you all these reports after as well, so you have something to look after and visualize after here. So all this information here will be all the demographic information on your area, because it's going to tell us, you know, who's moving into your area, who lives there, so we know how to target the marketing properly. So we're going to be searching right here about a 3-kilometer radius from your house. And you can see here we have a lot of different comparable sales that we could be looking at. Okay, that's great. You grabbed the baby. Perfect. Okay, so now let's get into the comparable sales in your neighborhood. So like I said here, we're going to search this radius right here. All the red ones are going to be ones that have sold, and all the green ones are active ones, and yellow ones are ones that have a pending offer on it. Does that make sense?
That makes perfect sense.
Okay, so let's look at one of these recent sales in your neighborhood right now. And we can see right here, this one on just around the corner, and it sold for $470,000. It had a nice big renovation done on it as well. It was all redone. It was 3,600 square feet, so very similar size to yours. Here's all the room sizes here too, and you can see this one here has a big master bedroom, just like yours did as well. So it's a really great comparable for the area. And then we're going to look really quickly at the pictures here. Can you see the pictures of the home?
I can.
Okay, great. So you can see it had some very nice rooms on it here. Here's the living room. Very nice, just like yours, nice and open, nice and clean, nice updated kitchen as well. So this would be a really great comp for your house as well. And it listed for $470,000. Like I said, I'm going to email this all to you as well, so you have record of it. So we have another one that's sold just right around the corner from you, and it's just sold for just around $300,000. It was on College Street, and it was a little bit different. It was an older home, but it was very well kept and very nice. And it was a nice older character home, actually. I thought it was a great baseline to kind of the base prices at. And you can see here, nice character home, beautiful curb appeal, not nearly as large as yours as well. So keep that in mind as well. And as you can see here, you know, it's very well kept from the outside. Beautiful backyard here with the fire pit. You can see the moonlight shot here that Ben took. Updated bathroom in the house. You can see in the hallway all the original character for the doors and everything. Updated windows, formal dining room. You can see all the floors have been redone here as well. Again, beautiful character home. Updated kitchen as well. I think with all the comps that I've seen here, I'd recommend a list price of about $499 for your house. Also, I'm going to send you the list of updates that we talked about that I think you should do to get your house ready for the market for when things do normalize and you're able to sell the house in normal conditions. And the great thing we pride ourselves with too is we do a lot more extra marketing than most people do in the area. And that's one of the great advantages when you do hire us. You're not hiring just one of us, you're actually hiring a whole team of us to take care of you as well. The nice thing too is we're the only team in Sarnia-Lambton that has a full marketing team in place to help make sure your home gets maximum exposure. I'm going to send all these articles to you as well to read over. It's talking about setting your price, how we do attract buyers, especially with this ever-changing market, and how things are as well. And this kind of just goes over our marketing plan with you and how we're going to lay things out for you. So there's no questions really in the end for you, and we get maximum exposure for your house. And here's just an example of what our marketing has done for people and the reach we get on social media, let's say, compared to a lot of other people as well. So like I said, I'm going to send all this off to you with some links to some recent testimonials of clients that we've dealt with as well. So any questions for you today at all, Hillary?
Not right now, but if I have any, I will definitely reach out.
Hi. So what I'll do is I'm going to send you a recap list of everything we talked about today. Also a list of all the repairs we think you should do as well to maximize the value of your house and the list price. And from there, we'll just see if you have any questions, and we'll just take it day by day right now.
Great. Thanks so much.
No problem. Have a great day. Thank you.
You too. Take
Goodbye.
care.
See how easy that was to get a virtual CMA done on your house from the comfort of your home. It only takes about 30 minutes. And a lot of people are wondering, why should I do this? Well, you might have been planning on selling before all this happened in the world we have today. But this way, you're going to be ready when things normalize, because they will. And what this is going to do for you is, A, we're going to create a concrete plan for you. And the second thing is, we're going to create a list of stuff you should do, some recommendations to really highlight and maximize your sale price. So let's become a research seller, create a plan for you for when things normalize that you're ready to go. Reach out if you have any questions, and have a great day.